Hey, welcome back guys. So today on this video, we are talking about your Stripe account, and more specifically, I'm going to quickly answer a question I keep getting a lot on my other video, and that is, how do you enable crypto stablecoins in your Stripe account? So let's go ahead and talk about this. First off guys, real quick video, not too many steps involved, so be sure to stick around to the end of the video. But why would you want to accept crypto stablecoins in your Stripe account anyways? Well, that's pretty easy. If you're running an online business, especially high ticket, sometimes your customers want to pay with their crypto stablecoins, and with Stripe, you can turn on that feature. Whatever the case is, it's a pretty easy process. It's handled here in your Stripe dashboard. Check my video description. I'll try to leave the written instructions there as well. But I've already logged into my Stripe account, and this is the home screen. Now, before we go any further, I want to let you know this is to allow you to accept certain stable coins. You can't accept all crypto, at least not at the time of the recording of this video. The stable coins you're going to be able to accept are USDC, USDP, and USDG. Now, when you're accepting that payment, it's going to be deposited into dollars into your account. So here from the home screen, if you want to enable that feature, here on the top right, you're going to click on this gear icon. Once you click there, you're going to scroll down until you see payments. It looks like a little purple wallet. Once you do that, you'll see this menu here at the top, and you want to click on payment methods. Once you click on payment methods, you're going to scroll down until you see this kind of crypto logo. It says stable coins and crypto. Go ahead and click on the turn on button. Okay, here they're going to show you a few links to the terms and services. If you're okay with that, click turn on. All right, quick second later, the page refreshes. Now you can see that my stable coins and crypto feature is pending. So now I just need to wait for a response from Stripe that option has been enabled. So there you have it guys. If you're wondering how to enable stablecoin crypto in your Stripe account, that's the easiest way I know how to do it. If you know an easier way, be sure to leave a comment below. Let the rest of us know how you did it. Hopefully you found that video useful. If so, click thumbs up, or maybe consider subscribing to my channel, and hope to see you on the next video. Thanks again for watching.